Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on QTUM coin. And this coin has a big event next month on 28th of August, and that is the mainnet release on 28th of August. And this is the tweet by them. And this can be a really very big event because if we watch the effect of this announcement on the price action by moving to the live chart on the daily chart, we can see that the price action was moving in an up channel since March 2020, and this was the day 21st of June when this tweet was added. When we have this announcement, the price action moved up a little bit up and moved down at the support of this channel, and then we can see that the price action even broke out the channel, the resistance of the channel, and this was more than 53% powerful bullish rally. And with the Heikin candlestick pattern, we cannot see even a single candlestick that is bearish, and this is the first bearish candlestick appeared, and the price action is likely to use the previous resistance of the channel as a support at this level. And if we watch on the weekly chart, then the price action was moving in a wedge, a falling wedge pattern. And finally, now the price action is breaking out this pattern. You can see that the price action just bounced on the support in the month of March, and then it was moving up and up. And here, approximately here, we had the announcement. Then after reaching at the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, rather the price action would move down to the support like it was doing before here, and at this level as well, the price action started moving up more and breaking out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And if we watch the different indicators, for example, this is the oscillator, the RSI oscillator on the weekly chart. It has still more capacity to move more up. So far, it is not entered in the overbought zone. And here we received a bear cross first by the price by this stochastic indicator. Then here it has again given bull cross, and this is another bullish signal. And if we watch the momentum indicator, then it is also turned bullish on the weekly chart. That is also another powerful indication. And we can see that previously when this momentum indicator was turned bullish, the price action moved up to the resistance of this falling wedge. Here it was turned bullish, then price action moved up to the resistance of this falling wedge. But both times when squeeze momentum indicator was turned bullish, at that time it was moving at the support, and from the support up to the resistance, the price action started the bullish rally. But this time, for the first time since the price action is moving within this wedge pattern, this momentum indicator turned bullish while the price action is already at the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Therefore, this is a very powerful confirmation that the price action will now break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And here we can notice that the price action is really breaking out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And if we watch these moving averages with the time period of 100, 50, and 25 on the weekly chart, then at this time the price action is trying to break out the 100 simple moving average on the weekly chart. So this is really very strong resistance after breaking out this wedge pattern. But this breakout can provide a really very strong push to the price action, and it will be really very helpful for the price line of QTUM that it can break out the 100 resistance level, 100 simple moving average resistance level as well, because after crossing up this level, when the candlestick will be completely closed above this resistance level, then it will have the support of the previous resistance of this falling wedge pattern and the resistance of the 100 simple moving average. And this resistance is also really very powerful. When it will be working as a support, it will be very powerful support at that time. Therefore, we can expect that the price action will break out this 100 SMA as well. And if we watch the Ichimoku cloud on the weekly chart, on the same weekly chart, then the price action for the first time trying to break out the cloud. At this time, the price action is entering in the bearish cloud, and this bearish cloud is getting squeezed, and soon it will be turned bullish. It will be turned in green color. That will be a very powerful bullish signal. At this time, we have two confirmations by the Ichimoku cloud. One is the lagging span, this green one, has crossed up the price action, and if we watch the conversion line, this blue one is crossing up this bearish line. That is the baseline. And if I will disappear the price action, then you can clearly see that the conversion line has crossed up this baseline. That is a bearish line. So this is another confirmation of the bullish move. And if we watch this chop zone indicator, that indicates that the downtrend or uptrend is chopped or finished. Then here we can see that the price, it was strong bearish, and in the month of at the end of May it was turned weak bearish, and after 6th of July it turned bullish, and now it is strong bullish. Therefore, after all these confirmations, I'm expecting that the price action will at least make another attempt, the first attempt even, to break out this bearish cloud up to this level. And if it will be able to break out this cloud, that will be really very powerful bullish signal, and it can start a really very long-term bullish rally. But I'm expecting a move up to the edge of this cloud. That is the resistance of the cloud, that is almost at $3.75 up to this level at least, and after that we will see what the price action can do next. So this was the update so far by the price action of QTUM. And at the end of this video, I would like to share with you this blog that I have just recently started a few days back, and I'm sharing all the detailed analysis here, and that will be really very helpful for you guys as well. For example, if I'll forget anything to share with you guys in the video, then I'll definitely share that thing here with the detailed analysis on the different coins and different assets as well. So I hope that you will also support my blog as well, like you are also supporting my channel. So this was the update so far by the QTUM price action. If there will be more updates, I'll definitely share with you. Take care. Goodbye.